Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. With this video, I'm starting a brand new video series on Python programming language. Python is a versatile, in-demand programming language, widely used, easy to learn, and used in various domains like web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, automations, machine learning, game development, etc. Python was initially designed by Guido van Rossum, released in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. And Python was named after a famous TV show, that is Monty Python's Flying Circus. Okay, so this is about Python programming language and its origin. Next, let's see why you should learn Python programming language. The first reason is it is a widely popular in-demand programming language. In this competitive world, learning a widely popular in-demand programming language can help you with your job opportunities as well as salary hike. And the second reason is it is easy to learn, beginner-friendly programming language. Its syntax is clean and expressive, closely resembling the English language. Its syntax is very simple and readable. Third reason is Python code works on every platform, be it Linux, Windows or Mac OS. Python program works on every platform. And the fourth reason is Python is versatile. You can use it for both simple tasks as well as complex tasks. And the fifth reason is Python has a vast and active community. If you have any queries, you can post it on the community forum and you can get help from the other developers. Okay, these are the some reasons why I should learn Python programming language. So in this tutorial, we talked about history of Python programming language as well as why you should learn Python programming language. We discussed 5 reasons. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.